this highway open.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
This is crazy.
Heavy Rescue, Sunday nights at 9 on the Weather Channel.
Currently in our area, 51 degrees under fair skies. Tonight, some clouds, low 37. Winds south-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday, afternoon showers, high 54. Chance of rain, 40%. Thursday night, overcast, low 38. Winds west at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Good afternoon, meteorologist Mike Seidel here, getting blown down the beach by these northerly winds now gusting upwards to 35 to 40 miles an hour. Look at the surf out here, 5, 6, 7 footers rolling in. We've got low tide coming up in about 3 hours. And the tide is not going to go very far out. In fact, right now, it's about where it was at high tide about 2 a.m. this morning. So it gives you an idea of what's going on. This wind pushing the water down the east coast of Florida. We've got rip current conditions through tomorrow, at least through tomorrow. The winds are going to die down later tonight and tomorrow morning, so it won't be nearly as windy tomorrow. And the best thing